Welcome to my channel, family. What would we do without childhood memories? This one takes me way back while enjoying all of the medicinal benefits. Sun tea, cooked by the sun with cancer fighting properties. Oh, it brings back so much beautiful memories, guys. Green tea, it provides powerful antioxidants, making it a cancer fighting gem while also supporting the heart. And black tea, y'all, this is Kenyan black tea. It lowers cholesterol, it protects the blood cells, and it manages blood sugar. And the powerful SourSop Leaves. It's caffeine free. Guys, it's packed with antioxidants that neutralizes free radicals. One thing cancer cells absolutely hate. Lemon and lime, it's high in vitamin C, providing essential nutrients to support a strong immune system. And guys, I just threw in a little cinnamon and a little cloves because that's what I like. But honestly, you can love it or leave it. But the last ingredient is something that doesn't come in a box. It's the sun. The sun doing only what the sun can do. It provides a slow steep that retains all the amazing nutrients of all the added ingredients. The magic happens when you sit the tea in the sun. I sit it on top of aluminum foil to help magnify the sunlight. But you want to sit it for, I guess, at least about 8 hours. I would say 6 to 8 hours in the glass, sealed, of course, and let the sun do what it do. 8 hours later, I fetched my golden tea and I sift it. I want to remove all of the tea from the lemons, from the leaves. And once I do that, I wash the lemons and the leaves to get all of the tea debris off. And then I put it back into my tea because I want them to continue to fuse into the tea. And then after that, guys, I put it in the refrigerator, let it cool. And once it's nice and cool, I sweeten it cup by cup using only raw agave. I would recommend having this at least 2 times a day, maybe one in the AM, one in the afternoon. I wouldn't recommend having it after 6 o'clock because caffeine can disrupt sleep patterns. So you just want to make certain you get it in the daytime. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go make you some sun tea, guys. Really, it'll change your life. I promise it will, if not already, become one of your favorite summertime faves. Please don't forget to share this video, like, share, and subscribe. And guys, see you in the next one. Keep shining because the world needs your light.